interest rate is going up and home prices are going up. What? You want to stay on and watch this video. If you find this content valuable, you want to hit subscribe and the bell notification. You know what to do so you won't miss future videos. According to the Realtor.com chief economist, Daniel Hale, the home prices are continuing to rise. However, the number of home sales available on the market has continued to decrease compared to from a year ago. The median listing prices have increased by 0.2%. Number of new listings have gone down by 17%. The number of days time on the market, homes are sitting longer by plus 8 days. And the mortgage rates are currently at 6.9%. And as of this video, interest rate is actually at 7% again. So rates haven't dropped, rates have gone up, but the demand is still there. Why? Because we don't have enough homes available for all these buyers on the market, and because of the lack of supply, and because the steady growth of demand, it continues to drive the prices of the home sale up. So if you're a seller, you're sitting pretty because the shortage of inventory is on your side in terms of, possibly getting the price that you think that might not be possible. Well, anyway, we are serving families. Have been really blessed and busy serving many families who are selling, and also some buyers. But what we're finding is the appraisal has been, as long as you can really justify it, has been coming to value, at least in our area, which is in American Canyon, Vallejo, Benicia, Fairfield, and Napa. We actually have a property right now in Sacramento that we are on the buyer side, and we weren't sure if it was going to appraise, and it appraised. But the property has to justify it. It has to be able to sell itself too. There has to be a long list of elaborate updates. Mainly it's going to be in the kitchen update, bathroom updates, fresh paint inside and out. Those types of things would justify the increased value that you may be looking for. As of the week ending August the 4th, according to Daniel Hale, the chief economist of Realtor.com, this past week had marked the 6th consecutive week of the number of home sales on the market that has been declining. We have less and less homes on the market. And I know that I've discussed this in the previous videos, that the main reason for that is it's hard for the seller to give up the current lower interest rate, whether it's 3%, 4%, 5%, to try to purchase a replacement home when the current interest rate is, what did I say at the beginning? 7%. So because of that, unless a life event requires the seller to move, they would rather wait. They would rather hold out and wait until it's the right time for them to sell, because they're going to have to purchase, right, to replace that home. In terms of inventory, we are anticipating a 5% drop in 2023 compared to in 2022. So what do you do if you're a home buyer? You're aggressive, you are committed, and you want to buy, and there's just not a lot of homes on the market. What do? Perhaps you might want to consider new construction homes. There are quite a few home builders that are very motivated in new construction to sell. And, having represented several families this year who bought brand new homes, I know that the sellers are motivated, and there's more room to work with many of their, what we call concessions, what the builder is willing to contribute to your purchase. Especially what I found in my experience is that if you discuss it with their in-house, their preferred lender, the incentive in either buying down the interest rate or credit towards the closing costs is much more readily available when you are purchasing the new home. And remember this, if you have a real estate agent that you've been working with, don't walk into a brand new home by yourself because you're now not represented. Chances are a reputable, a competent realtor can actually help you negotiate for the maximum available in the package when you're purchasing a brand new home. The incentives that may be there that a regular consumer may not know about. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching.